Hey, what's up guys, my name is Azim and welcome back to another new exciting video. And today I'm back here with another cool product to show you guys. These are LG G5 Quadbeat 3 premium earphones. So this is the little box and you got nothing written much on the box. So first of all, when you open the box, you got your extra 2 earbuds. Yes, you can see these are 2 extra earbuds you got with your earphones. These are made of very high quality, and at the next in the box you will get your earphones. The quality of the earphones was very good. I have recently checked it, and these are the red and black earphones of LG G5 Quadbeat 3. These are original LG's earphones and the sound quality was very good. The build quality was also very good. At the back of earphones you got LG's branding. The quality is very premium and the quality of the wire was also very good. This is 3.5 mm male audio jack and these earphones are made in China. This is the controller. You can increase or decrease the volume and you can continue or stop a video by pressing the button. These handfress are curved from side to adjust perfectly in your ears. Make sure to check the sign left or right on the earphones for the better experience to adjust in your ears perfectly. That was my review on these LG's G5 Quadbeat earphones. Make sure to give this video thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you want to buy these earphones, I will leave the link in the description. You can check out from there.